Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. Today is an exciting day because I have made strawberry shortcake. This is a classic summer dessert that is super easy. I am excited to share this recipe with you, so hang with me because it is that time. It is time to get cooking. So the first thing that we're going to do is make the biscuits for the shortcake. So to a large mixing bowl, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, I'm going to add 4.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. All right, and I'm just going to take a fork and blend all of this together. All right, and then what I have here is 6 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to use a box grater and I'm going to grate my butter. I find this is just easier and quicker. All right, then I'm just going to mix this butter into the flour. Okay, then I have 1.5 cups of a whole milk. I'm not sure I'm gonna use all of it. We'll see. I'm just going to add it in gradually. All right, and then I'm just going to take a baking tray that I've lined with parchment paper, and I am just going to drop these biscuits onto the paper. And then you can sprinkle just a little bit of sugar right over top. All right, then bake in a 425-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. So while my biscuits are baking, I've got a pint of strawberries here, and I'm just going to cut off the tops and just cut them into quarters and place them in a bowl. And then add 1/4 of sugar, 1/4 of a cup. I almost can't talk. Give it a stir. And you'll want to let this sit, these strawberries sit for 30 minutes or so into that sugar. They develop a delicious syrup. So you can't have strawberry shortcake without whipped cream. So now I'm going to make the whipped cream. All right, so to my KitchenAid mixer, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of, can't talk today, of heavy cream. I'm going to add the whisk attachment, and I'm just going to start to mix this until it gets nice and stiff peaks. All right, doesn't have stiff peaks yet, but I am going to go ahead and add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. All right, it's getting close, but I'm gonna go ahead and add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, this is what we're looking for. So everything is ready, and it is now time to make this delicious strawberry shortcake. And I'm just going to cut this biscuit in half. Add some of these strawberries with that juice. Top with some whipped cream. So now it's my favorite time. It is time to eat. Oh my goodness. They are perfect to soak up all that strawberry juice. This is not overly sweet. This is perfection. It is so, so delicious. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.